Guys, how are you? I hope all are good, right? Today very important session, especially for interview session. Those are freshers and those are going for interview. This session very important for both of you. Please take one notebook and one pen, guys. Please note down what I am saying. Most important points. It is very useful for your upcoming interview examination. So everyone knows the examination conducted by IBPS, right? So IBPS takes 1:20 for mains examination and 1:3 for interview. Okay. So I'm going to share my interview experience, guys. First thing, in interview part, main thing is document verification. So most of the candidates are going to mistake in document verification, guys. What is the mistakes? So document verification, main thing is SSC memo. So and the second thing is intermediate, and third thing is degree memo, and in degree memo provisional certificate and OD also there. Okay, and especially for BTech candidates, every semester they are having sem wise memo, right? That is also required. So in that one thing, guys, SSC memo, for example, my name is Ajmera Ravinder, right? This name should be same as all certificates like SSC memo, intermediate memo, degree memo, and OD, and along with your ID proof like Aadhaar card and PAN card. Their name should be same format. First name is Ajmera, second name is Ravinder. Okay, some of the candidates are in the SSC memo is Ravinder, and first name is Ravinder and initial comes after Ravinder, means Ravinder Ajmera. This is wrong, guys. So you will check all certificates. Your surname and your name should be same in all original certificates along with ID proof. If this anything miss in that, you should be troubled, guys. So be in check today only. Every certificate, your name and surname should be equal to your ID proof, right? And your father name also you should be checked. And this only one thing, guys. This is very important. And another one thing is and what are the documents? Actually, today I prepared for some important points, especially for you. So I am going to tell every one by one everything. And another one thing, what I am telling the documents, you note down every document: SSC memo, intermediate, and degree provisional or OD certificate, and BTech every semester wise mark sheet. Okay, and especially, guys, this is very important. Caste certificate in the format of IBPS. Okay, for ST and SC candidates, the IPS format will be one time you take, that is lifelong. Okay, but general candidate should be take every 1 year, I think so. Please check it. And along with 3 sets of Xerox documents, and one recent photograph, and IBPS application, guys, is very important. That time you are applied IBPS application, right? That application you should be carry with you. Another one thing, and another one thing, guys, character certificate issued by your school or college from your academics. Okay, you should be take it. These are original documents. Okay, in every original documents, what I am said, first point is there na, name should be same, name and surname you should be follow. Every certificate has same along with ID proof. Okay, these are documents, guys. And come to the interview session. So actually in interview, 5 panel members is there. Okay, in 5 members, middle person is there na. He is a very important person. He is the chairman of that respective state RRB. Okay, and the main person, left side 2%, and right side 2% is there. In that one person is there, guys. He is only observe your body language, you are telling truth or false, your confidence level, your dress style, everything he will be checked. Because interview means they are going to check your personal things. Okay, exam part, your knowledge side part is over in examination only. In interview they only check with your body language, you are telling true or false, that only checking. So in my interview time, what they asking questions, I will tell you guys. First question is introduction. Introduction, very important. In that introduction only 50% marks you can gain, guys, in interview. Introduction means we will tell first our name, our father name, our father occupation, how many brothers and sisters, okay, our education qualification, and our previous experience is there. So that type of that time only we will tell the introduction, right? So in introduction only they ask every question, guys. So suppose I will tell I have 3 years of experience in banking, means that they ask questions related that type of questions only, because your introduction only play key role in interview, because you are only given choice for their questions, right? Another thing, guys, some BTech candidates are going for RRB, I mean banking exams, right? They ask, you are BTech candidate now, why you are going for banks? So that type of questions will be asked. So and your body language, guys, especially your body language. Whenever you are saying answer straightforward and see every face in panel. 5 members there na. You will see every faces of panel, because they observed he is telling truth or lie. They observed your eyes also. So very careful, guys. So actually in that interview I got 75 marks out of 100, guys. But unfortunately I will miss by final selection 0.40. Actually that time I am reservist, but unfortunately that time IPS are not taken reservist candidates. You know you very well that time all candidates are filed case in against IPS also. The candidates are not taken in consideration for IPS. So this is, guys, if you have any doubts, please comment in my session box. I will clarify every doubt. And please subscribe my channel. I will upload upcoming videos also, especially for freshers and those are going for interview. Thank you, guys. Be in touch with my channel. Please subscribe and share it and like it. Thank you. Jai Hind.